Hi children, today we are going to learn decimal numbers. What is the place value chart of decimal number? Thousand, hundred, tenth, ones, tens, hundreds. What is the meaning of thousandth? One by thousandth part. In one part, in one whole, we are dividing into thousand parts. Then we can call that is one by thousandth, one by hundredth, one by ten, one, ones, one, tens, ten, hundreds, hundred. Now suppose one example, 23.345. This is one decimal number. In this, the decimal number, the point, this dot, we are seeing one dot that is called decimal. What we call decimal. Then this decimal divides the part into two parts. Decimal divides the number into two parts. One is integral part, second one is whole number. Integral part or whole number part and decimal part. Then the right side of the decimal point we called decimal part. Then left side of the decimal point we call integral point part. Integral part or whole part. Whole number part. Then the dot we called that is a decimal. This decimal divides the number into two parts. One is decimal part and integral part or whole number part. In integral part, we will read the digits together, means 23. But in decimal part, we have to read digits separately, means 3, 4, 5. Then total number, decimal number, how to read? 23.345. How to read decimal number? 23.345. Then when you will read the integral part or whole number part, you have to read together digits. But when you will read the decimal part, you have to read digits separately. Next point, in integral part, when you will move to another place value, that number increases 10 times. Suppose ones, tens. Then when you will move to ones to tens, it will increase 10 times. But in decimal part, when you will move to one place to another place, it will decrease 10 times. Means 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Then one more difference. In integral part, we will read the place values from right to left. But in decimal part, we will read from left to right. Here, right to left in integral part. In decimal part, left to right. Then we will move from, in integral part, we will move from right to left. But in decimal part, we will move from left to right. Then how to write expanded form? 84.562. Then place values. After decimal, how many places are there? 3. Tenth, hundredth, thousand. Tenth, hundredth, thousands. In integral part, ones, tens. Then 8 tens, 80. 4 ones, 4. Plus 5 tenth means 5 by 10. Plus 6 hundredth, 6 by 100. Plus 2 thousandth, 2 by 1000. Then in decimal form, means 80 plus 4 plus 10th, 5 tenth, 0.5, 6 hundredth, 0.06, 2000th, 0.002. This is the expanded form. Now, how to write place values? Now, ones, tens. In how many digits in integral part? 2 digits. Then ones and tens. In decimal part, 3 digits are there. Tenth, hundredth, thousand. Then first digit, thousandth, 0.003 or 3 by 1000. Hundredth, 0.02 or 2 by 100. 1/10th, 0.1 or 1 by 10. Then 3 ones or 3. 7 tenths, 70. This is the expanded form. Now, Comparison of decimals. Comparison of decimals. Then when you will compare the decimals, you have to change to like decimal. That means number of digits in the decimal part should be equal. Example, 0.72 and 0.723. Here these two are unlike decimals because in decimal part here only two places are there in first number, in second number three places are there. Then we can say those are unlike decimals. Then how you will change as like decimals? Then we have to keep 0 end of the number. That means 0.723. If you keep how many zeros end of the number, there is no value for those zeros. Now here 0.723. Then 0.720 is less than 0.723. When you will compare, compulsory you have to change it to like decimals. Next, some relationships. 1 rupee 100 paisa, 1 centimeter 10 mm, 100 centimeter 1 meter, 1000 meter 1 kilometer, 1 kg 1000 grams, 1 kiloliter 1000 liters. With the help of these relations, you have to express one unit to another unit. Example 1. Express 72 grams in kilograms. Then what is the relation between grams and kilograms? 1000 grams 1 kg. Then 72 grams is equal to 72 by 1000, 0.072 kg. Express second example, express 2 meter in kilometer. What is the relation between meter and kilometer? 1000 meter 1 kilometer. Then 2 meter, how many kilometers? 2 meter is equal to 2 by 1000, 0.002 kilometer. This is the exercise 5.